Are you a small business owner who feels victimized by this recession? Are you currently struggling to generate leads for your business, attract more clients, and make more money? Do you find yourself competing more and more on price instead of the true value of your offer? Have you noticed your marketing is costing you more and producing fewer results? Have you spent a lot of your precious time and hard-earned dollars developing your website only to discover that no one is looking at it? Or worse, it's not making you any money. If you have answered yes to any of these questions, then I want to give you the solutions to all of these problems, and I want to do it for free. Hi, my name is Earl Hall, and I'm the CEO of New Lead Generation Consultants. We've created a process to level the playing field for all small businesses worldwide. We know you don't have access to resources and revenue that's available to the big guys, so we want to make sure you do have access to the right tools, strategies, and support so you can compete with anyone at any time. We can show you how to make your business the obvious choice to buy from, how to create so much value that your competition will no longer be able to compete with you, and how to stop the insanity of price competition so you never find yourself competing on price again. In fact, we can show you how you can charge twice the price you presently charge and yet appear to offer the biggest bargain on the planet to your prospects. So, are you ready to learn the secrets to small business success? Are you ready to learn the strategies that can make you bulletproof against the turmoil of this global economy, especially in these fast-changing times? If your answer is yes, then we want to send you 20 powerful and revealing and insightful business growth videos that will provide you with the solutions to all these problems and more. At Lead Generation Consultants, we believe in you, the small business owner. We believe you're the backbone of the global economy. These videos represent an investment we want to make in you by giving you bulletproof strategies that will absolutely astonish you. Seriously, we're going to introduce you to concepts that will reshape your business and for once give you the upper hand. We'll help you position your business so far ahead of your competition, you'll take market share from them before they even realize what's hit them. Just enter your name and email in the box on the right, and we'll send you them immediately with our compliments. Go ahead right now and sign up, and I'll see you on the other side.